Thank you again and congratulations to all again after showing the previous 3 video. Now it's the next day, like the 4th day to our course to show you the secret way to earn money from Fiverr without knowing any knowledge from the next day. So today's video, as I told you, I will discuss about things how know what is SMM. Okay, I never told you what about the SMM. Let's discuss previous video. I told you I will only discuss, we will only focus on these two things: social media marketing and social media advertising. So what is SMM? SMM is called the social media marketing. Okay, let's check it. What is all the social media marketing on Fiverr, what service people are giving to the buyers. I will create an effective Instagram hashtag growth strategy. I will not focus on it. I will do Instagram marketing or promotion for organic growth. Let's focus marketing. Okay, organic growth. So here is one platform, Instagram. Let me find out more. YouTube. I will do organic promotion and marketing for YouTube monetization. Okay. I will do organic super fast viral YouTube promotion via Google Ads. Okay, nice. I will identify all your Instagram ghosts. I will be your social media content. I will be social media manager, Twitter, Instagram, also the Facebook, Instagram, run YouTube ads, Facebook page promotions, social media. Lot of geeks here about the Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, Twitter. So work on the sports sector, right? Only the sports sector. How we will do organic growth? Viewers. On this video, I will discuss about what is the organic growth, how we can do and how we will work. Okay, so we will focus on this 4 things: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Organic growth, like, views, like, comment, share, subscribe. In this 5 way, we can grow the Instagram account, Fiverr account, YouTube and the Twitter. This is our strategy. I will show you the exact and the secret method how you can do this, how you can make the organic growth of this social media platform without making any working knowledge. So this all about the social media marketing in this secret course. Thank you for viewing this